Ano yung pinakadilulong ginawa mo because you like a person? Hi everyone, I'm Oreo Avi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're gonna talk about ano yung pinakadilulong ginawa mo because you like a person. Okay, so here's mine. Before I like someone, I like a guy before. And then, pinakadilulong ginawa ko was I became someone I'm not. Like, how can you become someone you're not? It's pretending, I guess, to be someone you're not because you like that person. While you're talking with them, you see kung ano yung gusto nila, kung ano yung type nila, you're analyzing that person. Ano ba yung gusto niya sa isang tao? Or what will make that person like para mapansin niya ako or gano'n. So, para mapansin ka ng tao na yun. So, I became someone I'm not. And the moral of the story here is you don't need to be someone in order for you to belong. Kasi, yun yung point eh. Like, if hindi ka pa enough sa tao na yon, it's it's not for you. Like, the right person will make you feel enough na hindi mo na kailangan na i-prove pa yung sarili mo, nakamahal-mahal ka sa isang tao na yon. Kasi, the right person will love you for who you are. And yun yung mali ko. Kasi, I pretended to be someone I'm not. And I became someone I'm not. And, alam mo, in the end of the day, ikaw lang din yung masasaktan. Magtatama siguro ng consequences kasi eventually, hindi naman ikaw yun eh. Like, it's not your personality, so, at ikaw lang din yung mahihirapan. And, yeah. So, yung ano lang, ang funny lang kasi, when I remember, when I think about it, I'm thankful na I let go of that person because it will just hurt the both of us.